Dear Fusania. Wasugusutie Asempa FM 94.7. Tokrokitwa emun sampi. Wa yasitremu. Yasitremu sam. Anopa yejetu yato din. Mistro and Moshoso, everybody Shapam. For such a wonderful presentation. Nami Shamopa. Medin the Apostle Solomon Odro. Toko Kitwa Chiame and Opay. Ya Trenko Nyabruso. Our Asempa FM 94.7. And I'll pay more share our me page. Apostles from Odro page and your Asempa page. Yadinya Chia Cassia and Shabata the Mamunya. Minusanya Mia Toma no pay Muna Moye. Live FM so far our central region. Michiamo Central Region Cape Coast. 107.5. Masugusu Tieto Kroketo Munsampi on Asempa FM. Tokroketo Media Cassia. Tokroketo Anwajesu Munsampi. Asam Ketwa Emunsambebre. Take your glory. Me baby asi. Woni pa woni ba sabio aboa woni ba. Edua abate to fo na be yedua kese. Asempa no seme asam ketwa no. Me wo me maame. Eti asem bi aba oman asai nipa. Amanyo sam awaresam afiemu. Baby bia woni pa hye biara. Asem bi aye asam kese. Edi wo ye nani abenani agyajo abre nipa no. Mo so fotre ko nyaburu so senya. Na ye bia nsem tu nipa fo. Mo nipa ni ba ne ho so. Ma wo hwe ne ho yie. Anapa mi producers pa kwasi. Everybody shapa. Onyami sha everybody mie kwama o. Everybody nyokese. Eni enu abaya eyisa. Oba dende. Everybody show. Onyami nyobolo. The Queen Star Japan on the control social media. On name Ashin General. And our pay baby Atemuti. Me producers and me prayer was Sofia. To my dear took rocket to a moon sampi. Every I would hear and any first I would hear. Umusas and I took rocket to a dear. Our Bible more. Ezekiel chapter 8. The verse 7 up to 12. I want to talk rocket to our. When you go pon catch Ezekiel say. And the same show new may hinta. Teradi Peja Ezekiel. The Nibura at Sunday Moho. What's wrong with talk rocket way? Talk rocket way. What's Bubunashe? Zeki Bubu took now. What's a share? A pony was 1 year who she be a ponashadi. Ezekiel be upon the Bible said, Israel peniford your son, the elders of Israel, 70 men of Israel, and peniford said to Mufrafono, why she took rocket to him. The Bible said, Dotimuan and Wahoro, and I won't tell him. Now a member peniford kuku, and Mamma at Tam. I wish you kumo a piefrimo. Mibusa or Tia would tell me on a pace. Took rocket to one. So one will never huni point and then a suffer crowd. Who huni pay womo? Wouldn't send me diagram while we have a good. Wouldn't send me diagram brother that say. And first send me niagro. Will be to me a come a patch or a permanent flower room. Will be to me come a patchonti or nyata dear. As some K20 diagram. A yes, some cassia. And I'll pay. Shall Cassia. Obi kodidi wa yase ene wonya yare. Eti samitse kunya brusu say ya. Me tu etie for say. Emfa sam ketua bi niagro because asam ketua na hu ne sa no. Munsam bebre. Ye ka sunsun munsam honam munsam amanyosam awareɛ mu baby bia onipa on ipe ahye biara ye benya asam ketwa bia beda na asam kese mi honya kade maybe no ki wo do da shebre bebre asaw abrabo mu obi antumi antumpon. Some people were very great and powerful, but they couldn't make it because of ensemi to womo. Some people got great opportunities in life, but make us say square zero. Baby, I was me be a ready, so ready me was somehow. Me chai and not pay a real much ready some. Let the power of Jesus take over the atmosphere. And now what change to mobi be Asempa to ama efie abo Asempa simajuma fi wonsa Asempa simonima guase Asempa simenei duebu aka wosim but ne ewie mo nyame satrana dia oma ensuo to ni brem. Daniel chapter 2 the verse 21 says he changes the time and the season. Any bad time, whatever bad season, in the name of Jesus, may the power of Jesus, may the power of the Holy Ghost change every season, any bad season, any bad time, in the name of Jesus. From Tiwadao, and maybe I would fear, and maybe I will see that, and maybe I will do what I say. Would diagram the coffee. I want to encourage you this morning. Jumadi, you baby and Yamia so much. They are so crying through the lady Reverend Doctor. Shout out to Drew. And the Bible legend is so bro. What are the American legend, African legend? But you can't Bible Mokudam Fwa. Yantain him on Bakwasem. Obit me the footballer be doing to the show. Not then or the ordinary DP. Because we Bobra will make impact. By Bible na you crying, what are Abraham D, Isaac D, what are Mordecai, Esther D. But when nim ni Bobra ni Subai and the baby were free. Nema many son was singing here. And when I talk to a class saying, me baby much baby Jeremiah were free. No more call more amwano. Say be ya Christo ni bia sa woto abedin. And na say be wo fedi me to so a. Oh ni pan ne bobre baby wo fidi ye wo no. Ni suba ne sa wo fa ne sa wo fa. Yes so the ensama atoto nipa. Bedjumedie so. Mo kana numu nyoma sisi na brabo mu. Woni pehia bibi wo ho. Anope ma no to na me kasa wi a. Yenua baby ani mami. Woni ni mami tawa brabo mu. Ne papa to na saram. Eti na obi wo ha na wutie me na obi tie me. Na woni wo mami da o papa da. Abusuafa to saram. Baby on nam bia woni nam. Ewrade so mu wate. Ani wo ye wo mami wu ntam. Wo papa wu ntam. Abusuafa tumi amwa. Ama safra tumi ato asebre so. Ebu medication bomo. Nesno o ni pakese pa. Obi ni mabre po asase o. Ti se wonua bi wu na oja ne ba. Hwe ni yie na o kire betumi adane. Meka sarre ho aka obi. Because ne maami wu ntam nti watete nkwafo chansa. E man de wa fam no. Wonya emotional trauma, emotional pain. Ene yenua ba no ba be kana sam. Ne maami kwawo no. Ne wonim ne maami da. Ne maami wu ntam. Ne wonim ne papa da. Na baby ofefa nyom no mo komu asase so. Yesu eni na fofia kana bra bose. Okay, can the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 4 the verse 8. We are troubled on every side, yet not crushed. We are perplexed, but not in despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Cast down, but not destroyed.
We will not take your glory.
I know you are being trouble on every side, but I can encourage you. You can never be crushed. We are trouble in marriage. We are trouble in business. It's my prayer this morning. Let the power of Jesus enable you straight to balance your life at the moment of pain and trouble and sorrow. Baby, I crash on my brother because of the troubles. Now we're fighting, pushing them, trying to disorganize their dreams and their purpose. It's my prayer this morning. So how be I will from no pay when the finance account. We are purposeless but not in despair. I told you be able to me yabasa. I don't just say any that's when you honor man. And a person in Babon Payano, Baby, I will be a so office or market. Person no bomb pay, and I pay within 10 to 20 minutes. Now you told me, Diana. Never saw when you're sold. Now, my child, your passport is your so yesterday. K-Bam ultimate wedding shroud. African Queen Macqueen Yamin Shopper, cocoa dairy, coconut milk, and a body's olive oil, Yamin Shamopa. And I'll pay you to 20. We hear the book of Ephesians chapter 6, the verse 10 going. Bible says, finally be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities. What's your name? Your dear children, Mama, when you're dead. What already moving a hold to me more. And Yanni, when no more children, yes, you need a real see what to for a cabra chair. Soon, Bonnie, if you knew who, and it is you. And I'm not pay, baby, be our take with you, man. Whatever demonic influence, whatever demonic activities, when you go pour a bassa, when you meet to me and crash away, man, when you should did them on, what the office, what turn there, what driving a car, and no may be a cost will soon some tower shabre, and a pair of the finance account. But some no do come be on pay. No, you just the bomb pie. For when you say, do name you say, I boss me yajuma, yes, I boss me yajuma. I pay for a yajuma. There are different powers, spirits, a yajuma, a work tia, humanity. But a number be on more. A yana a Christopher one time for Yajan Cohok. Nation a dish bring a pa. And then on a pembesem and was soon by 5 minutes now for the young pieball. Now the lady Reverend Dr. Charlotte was stepping in at the special message Brian pay. Baby, now next year, me as some man over the Kay. As some Cassia a tinny passable manianam. Would be free. Now you need time call. Now a didn't probably bring yam. I was shabra contour. Will be starting here. Make us say when you hobby. Will be your quenya cassia pa. That's what I say no. Will be on my wish and our Bob Rapping. Now be big tea as a more brother. Will what chairman on a pay. When you be a crown and some pain. Now you fear Yanima make the papa no quay. But say, see, I make us say, you know my enquiry. You were a home be a Christopher Adjay and tie and Nina soap. And an old thing, Yamimia. But I know pay the best will be one. No. Now, what the young pipe on your coupon to Trobos, Nasabwa, when you now was so cassa edema. Minimum say, you will pray a cast be brave, our Ghana ha. So many churches are a bonfire. But yen time with this prayer topics no na a very serious, the spirit of jealousy and enviness. Hallelujah. Sadly, we one of the serious spirits. I not pay me per se, me no bon pay. A say woman, a say shipwreck, a say the baby abrabo. But it's my prayer, I not pay. Ahoyani and Ibresun. Yes, you didn't more. You be benase. We be make us say. Now, worry could because of jealousy. The BB evidence because of sadness. Now, say you can say jealousy. It's an unpleasant emotion you feel when you think someone is trying to take what belongs to you. Whenever I think can be any day, any nika, obi enya na wadwene say, obi be Jimmy be free himself, obi be fan mi jinabia, obi be tu madia so, and now obi Jimmy amadia free himself. An unpleasant emotion that someone will feel. I often say someone is trying to take my belongs, what belongs to you or what belongs to the person. And what you know, jealousy the feeling of anger or bitterness which someone has when they think that another person is trying to take a lover or a friend or a possession away from them. Me ka ahoya. Who say what I could just on the bomb person? Me fear for me. But I am telling you, say one of the serious spirits are all saying you pass a brepa. Eya ahoya and liberation. Now ahoya soon yes spirit to be or ababeng. They have this is gold and diamond. I am their mercy. If in the waste, echo. My Yesha Bibi, Ezekiel chapter 8. Now, mention what you be. Ezekiel 8 is my prayer. Say, I'm not pay. When you go upon us, someone ever when you want to be more pay ye. Now, was so a mere man. Ezekiel chapter 8, the verse 1 going. What's it? Now, I fear a tossing sian. But some are a tossing. But some are tossing sian. That are a tossing num. The Sunday on the 7th. I make us say, me tea, me fear. Na Judan penny 40 menimono. When Yanko Pon and Sa Tomeso. Where your prophet Ezekiel and a casting. Now, me share. Na share. Oni posi, oni pesu ben bi. Etise oja eniye. Tie, I am talking about the spirit of jealousy. Was oni pebisu ban. When anya antwa tano ena tender ena busumbi often say you don't question inside obetumi ku atwatwere. But me can image spirit entity bia operate yejuma ewo nipa sebrema ni suban te se oja eye ahoya honhom ai anope wa enam ahoya nti bibia fi wunsa. Can we imagine say so many problems that echoes will rease ay ahoya minyini free ho na me nkose ho de obed de me hwe obaji madwuma obaji mani munyam obaji de me ho eti mempren amane ma. It's my prayer son of pay nyankopon nyansabo akwa de wo sofidi e wo poase a obekọ no na apata de bom no one for the nyasa so hwemu every attack for some na wo je enya wo dia was suban onipa bi onipa suban bi tie onipa suban bi wanka sunsun bi onipa suban bi etise oja enie efide ete na senimu rekro fam ye oja efi na senimu ade ko fam no eyi oja. What's it? Now, what's saying? Okay, can say na efri na srimu every ko esro no to say ochren it is say cobre mfrafra ado ahoa eni gold and diamond yakeka bom eni yesa na yehoa no efri na sro na sim ko na sro no sa anetie me ka ba jealousy honhoma eye jealousy ne tibia ne wo yi ne hu adia wotie where Ezekiel na make asem yo na oyi bribi etise ensa na oso metifinwi na honhom no ma me so fa asase no so ntem de ko Jerusalem nyankopon eni swade hunu mo de me ba emu fem aponkese ochre etififem echre etififem no ninkunti jealousy spirit ninkunti honi okay kan bofo no se hwe na me beto jealousy spirit awot na konwa so wo provoke nkrofo se tan wonua de wonua na nya no e wona sanka ye wodia eti no manya wo ya eti jealousy aye spiritual otina konwa so o provoke nkrofo to become jealous. And adie bi agbowura wa unua bi ade o wani bring by force oso nyankopon emfa mensa enka na awurade emie oso ema na awurade ni monyam nya kese sonko oso. Verse 3 was he put forth the form of an hand and took me by a lock of my head, and the spirit lifted me up between the earth and the heaven and brought me in the visions of God to Jerusalem, to the door of the inner gate that looked towards the north, where was the seat of the image of jealousy, which provoked to jealousy. Where a Sunday ano ena ahoya hohoma konya esi o provoke Jerusalem. I saw them the courtyard, the entrance of the church. Ahoya to me minimajima wo ye ahoya to me bi esi adwuma mu ho adibia beye bia obi mpa wasamuti no e wo se wo yema wade a wo beye enimonyam biara ma ho because person was say wo konwa ate so no wo befa asere be bon paritie dodo na tie me ahoya nti na ware abon ene akrisofo me yani amre mo paya eno mesisi wonyame sumu no woni petumi ye na twen say mesai mi nua because what me. Okay, kai the book of Genesis chapter 3 the verse 1 going on. Adam ni Eve nyame adman next week or anatwi me come ho asem, but me how kese pa ye Cain and Abel. Genesis chapter 4 the verse 2 to 14. Bible say enipa tu ye nuafo omo ina akonyame anim obi ye na famu de tie papa wutie mi ensa tie nya pe esobi nya kwasampani eti ade bia wukura bia no mo ni so no ni akobri obi ade sa wo ye na na anya yiye na obi na ye yiye a me pacho manamo na bia wo kira ebedu wo so sa bia we ebe yo won wase obo no ma wonu atan wa keke because of color and I will shape appearance because the movie ko baby a ya ta fro ya ta bawudin e che no wudi agobeku atwatwe ya din tani ho ya ta mo ho paye e yesu baby eti se ja a eseni pashebre anope Yehowa wanyu free ahoye to misunsumu sem no mfa na basa kese ntoso o mo nyina ko ba for real Genesis chapter 4. Bible say na onyame ni so Abel de makede de yampe enunti na Cain emra na Cain wa frani face ana onyankopon totroboso ka tre Cain say Cain adani wani mamu na sa nes ehon onyankopon po hu the attitude Cain o portray before God would dia gra we ya so pani we ya suffer we ya elder we ya deacon ahoye be mo so attitude bi wa Sunday ma e be shock. This and your man We overlook those things. But a kumunyanko ponsunsum, a pamunyame presence, if you I don't know who I'm talking to, but I don't pay. Baby, no, my brother was say a beer because I'm auntie, you could not watch it. When you go pon, a busaka say, and then when you might sack, we are dear ya, Konimantry, and one tongue of swag to the level said, you go to the time. It got to the time, a bra, Kay, you will near a bed, because of jealousy. You accepting Nidia, Yanji on Nidia Antum. Tadabia, say a Jew be too, now you want to ma, no problem. Many would tell me, I yajiwatum, I have found as boss, you have found as leader. My own pay muyade, because promotion now the tournament would diagram, would your chip. When Nipa wants to do so to me, a kumat watching. When Nipa would you power money be a deal. When Nipa was so inside the court memory, and why you be born rano and must sell life. One pastor's friend be. That story make I so tear betty pa. One of the key person pa and of one ministry. You promoting what you meant. Say Oko US for 3 months. Promotion never torn no. Jealous spirit a burra some of the workers. It me my papa we be yare. Papa admitting mo hospital Kolebu. Emma was so fire. Never pani wu ya no exactly 3 months as I call Kwabrochireba. They say Oba Kwabrochireba but die the 3 months no son ya no. Okos pani ni na wo. Enka ya Kolebu ya what me for play. That we had done the 3 months so ya cycle reason adwuma. And we pay kosie ne wan san mu e kura so baby e woni kosie no. Na da ye kosie repair no. Na dwuma mu for the car VIP buy. O me say ya o ma me ye sefuru o me ye late. Why buy ye different kwamusu ye pe no. Asofo gusu bompa ya yakate ani no. One of the gentleman TikTok pa wa she dark space. Ana wo de haban bi wa chekere otutu funu mu. Next time so ko be biem a woni me abe compete e wo akonwa no. Bebe nan me guase e wo shebra kwantu because of jealousy. Say yan towade onti ase. Nipa be 2 3 4 be pack car wo shop ntino. Eni bre bi aba wo ho a. Wodi agwano wa mompaye. Andre jealousy to me ase a wo shop le begu. Many companies are going to have to be near to me. Obi to be a company. Ne koso. Suddenly na gu na say. Jealousy spirit be a. Or mother last forever. O cha eni pasa braso. Na osorite eni so ade ho. O talk aka na wo hefa. Efi unsa. Sa what I expose no ma wo chenkofo a ebeku atrentem. Kay on one in ya. Ebe on one in ya. Because you accept me there. You accept it. To the beer. What worry paja wumian would dear grow on the wasam would die. Didn't answer wedding I can see a channel. And to the beer when you car, but one quackany a brand Caribbean it would deem. Would dear grow why you work with them account to me. Why him I mean so fear dear. No say abos mo yadwuma de but jealousy aye spirit bia na kwanwa esi baabia ni pakuo wo na wafo bi mo asem life ano pay ho wa onyo kese ye be rem paibo mu na awrade ne saka obi kwatra shop na ye nto ade biem onte ase wo sema ye ka fa ho no e be shock him obi asobi aku obi aware aku because of ahoye anti no me fe say obeji mani monyam e na ade na nipa na wo no me na sanka eye media ready me na ke fata me se be nipa post na hwimpo se na papa mu mpa e bia ode 1 Samuel chapter 2 verse 7 na abom pa ye na nya media ma no o ma wo nipa so efi futurom isaya o ma wo nipa so fi futurom e say se be o say me hwimpo esi meti kompa nyankopon na ma me so you dare not to envy me. Jealousy, you mu a wadafo ebu mpa aware fo mponu Bama to be jealous on an ere. Make our samo, but me a bon paya. Me catch us a woman in Sa whom you do man. A bosom is man. But this one of the spirit, sorry, and time with this topic way and one paya. We always fight near Sinkonia, near come, but a spirit. And I see a ja. Nana shono a good need down where the Afra. Now, to me, na see a ja. Nana see a good need down where the Afra. But me attacking or what be me. Or no who saw your boss or your bemo. I want in a conyaso. And I will probably afford to become jealous against Umi Adiawo. Obi make us a new row, because what they come collaboration and moyeti, the Nako Bolaso, I was stripping the glory, the fit home. University part of Bako Yetino, and why bam, because an officer on the San Canibako University. Because what the acquire from Poman and Mother Kawan Fata. So one morning, I'm on Paya, and why yet to be met me a showma, and what was her brother? Joseph, Daya was so here. Genesis 37, verse 1 going. Daya was here, and then the animal conspire Etiano. And I peck us away to demo. What we say? 1 Samuel chapter 18, the verse 6 up to 10. Now, so T say David, akum 10,000 no. Asam no anyane day. Next at the beginning no me na for. On one na choose self person boy ne tena. But a brother David promotion buy a pen. Friends, colleagues, and for could lunch boom. I feel more jealousy. I'm telling you. And your son the castle one belly. Ah, money pia, money your why are dear. Better mention a pabemo beside between fear. David the buyer Israel ma told him say we come 10,000 penno. And why ya bora wa hene. What you want to go what to go to so. Be what they are. You have the power, authority to control. But just one album pie a bar out no. It become will be bad Bema, David 70 years at watching. Would dear way you be my banner cancer? Would dear go by your bachelor February Sabagana Rekete? Jealous of a show you one more pen at the end of our name up, Ube Philly. A Yasumu, and yes, I will never be a Yasumadia, a semi pabrabo, a semi passion, because I don't pay. Minyanko Ponema Bankers, Minyanko Ponema Bankers, Awaya Susum, Awaya Susum, Awaya to me, Awaya to me, Atwashe Miniabiso, Atwashe Miniabiso, Atwashe Nipabiso, Atwashe Nipabiso, Obeso Sama Brabo, Obeso Sama Brabo, Same Bompire, Same Bompire, Onyankopon, Onyankopon, Chimifi Metafon, Chimifi Metafon, Ewa Yesudim, Ewa Yesudim, Ewa Yesudim, Ewa Yesudim, Ewa Yesudim, Ewa Yesudim, Fasibo Paye, Santa da Gabaha, Ayate de Becabanda, Kido Saraya, Radika Dabaha, Ayata da Rakadi Balabata, Ayate de in the name of Jesus, Father, we pray against any spirit of jealousy. In the name of Jesus, this morning, let your mighty hand.
In the name of Jesus, a brand continent sending beside me no bompire. What the Wawarian Soma, S.C. jealousy home. What the Juma Soma, S.C. or Masoma, S.C. the new Mahon. Now, so tea, no, or to Nadisi de Bishop. Then will be a tea and any death. Or be where we are here on top of it, that's our crown or for car. When you like a one number from free Tama, about Juma, now what to be free. Son or penal. Or being I not worry 20 years, no one would duck. No one tell the whole life we now. When I know a woman be a Saja by him. The petty more dig. I know one make what watching. I know one of best self. If you open no people film. I am what the bar won't bomb because of Shabrano. Life can never give you what you want, but what you fight for. Or what the bar try to was the kind and you two will feel. Sister, or just some other shares Yama on pay. Casa Jesus, me modern boy, my warrior soma, my warrior soma, Medaya son soma, I will be a who, send me near, Tofubi, now I hear to me, Aborano, now I catch me, men fata, send me Jabia, me fata se be mane fata me fata se me tukwan na ade biara ayo kramia me nipa bi madafu bi busani bi onu nyaaya na ono ne dia wanya nti no peso se no okuma ni masia awurade e bi Jeremiah chapter 18 verse 18 and the bon paye odi pa biara odi nano esamia say tomade bi ma wa wiengu me ma say ho wakasa anopaya chase bon paye wo yesu ti adia bi na me dia so wo se Christ wo da ya so e da pati biara ku sia dia jawo e ni biara ba ho masu biara fasa wadensa fasa yesu sa wo yesu ti mo ya speaks against my that speaks against my promotion in the name of Jesus Christ. Right here. When I are wording, when the bear matted them or no that's no penny me didn't delay. Yes, me when you feel my jiatu. Me when you feel my own song and my own me. Right, I want a new coach better bonkomo. I hear you back what watching them. Maybe I say I boss na the mama Jacob, my jiatu, when the Yamina de Wamano. Kakana me wono. Right when you break. To love was a right cassette. So one ya a bat sending this star one dia and you. I'm proud body wood dia and what woo ye. I want yet to money pet Danny. 2 sisters, 3 sisters, we and for me and some. Mamma, you know, a mammy and son. Would dear go sister bet me a Soviet Yawama? Dabbe who saw no will be a Okutiano, now you're too late. And pay a chat to you. I told you this. Because I was yesterday. Yes, but me crazy yes, Moja. Ahoya. And you need to be. I did mechi. You want to the near Simi so. So that Bremasia. Then you made your chairman. Was so on Tias. Was some fata. You made a mistake. So I am a sa. So I am a sa. I did so to me. I pay down myself. Oh, yes, you did more. Makoshani Malabantede, Ikani Bali Mahusha, Akize Getelebe Kademeha, Intede Brentegedemeha, Akani Bandifaha, Intede Begade, Reketende, Ayanti Bilibi Apa, Ikada Brantada, Rakadi Bandada, Ayantede Bekapa, Ikada Brantada, Ayantada Baka, Ikada Brantada, Iyantede Rapandi Kata, Atani Balabantata, Ikada Brantada, Rekatanda, Atini Bikapa, Ikada Brantada Bakapa, Ayantada Bato, Iyantada Kadaba, Ayantada Bakapa, Ikada Brantada, Ayantada, Iyapanda Ba, Ayantada, Ikada Bakapa, Atini Bikata, Ikada Bakata, Ayantada. Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus. Miss Empire, the mammy near baby would see, or baby would see me. When I'm a cob and a dear because we cheer with him, and do how can Sebe bro, will be you a second, will be best of bottom, who not hotono, and everybody show me a way, yes, everybody shall be brave. The lady Reverend Doctor, she to draw, but when they say Munimono, what the powerful message you bring, Bansano Babano, you make cool mama say yasin. Cocoa dairy free coconut milk. I kuben shua kubaye ede milk. A eboa pam woni power pomudin kama. Ade ba ko anopa bia menom. Eno na me yefase bia me di breaki. Eno aso na se me yechi na coffee bia me sande gumo. 100% vegetarian, free from artificial flavor. And also upon one, I did about community when they say vitamin D2. One don't pay my yambre, Mosimbu. On mamma don't pay my yambre, Sasabro for no. I will bear now I come and now why I could so. One coconut, cocoa dairy free, a warm or pomoya ding. And no pahua, Sebia, Obakoto to Bibia. Ne bo be de woto no ba ko pa mutumi che abusuan chamfa Now Asia and Britain, a fena bedu Africa. Na de ba ko manage ho no say sugar nim. Eti mo ye tuam sugar ne de we de mu die mu a. Manu si ya kope bi na towate na bogubo. No pe mabɔ me de agumebo. Na ma ye kama. E ma menya hoɔden da bia. Cocoa dairy free coconut milk, natural health at your doorstep. A very good nutritious food for you and your children. So I say, "Bia baby, a 1 year dear, a filling station bia, and I say, Bia come out when you be, and now pen do do to me patch of a number 0274 440 180 0274 440 180. And up on Borges olive oil. Borges said, "The one I'm the bomb pay me the shra me yes and the young one more." And up on one say be out in your boo with the night busy bassa a pum pum a chin bisana. What the Borges restaurant be no phone for a bear tun kama the amount. Ya the new Diane. You want the garlic ya a boame ya refi akumemo. A sunshine news kino. Papa mo for business ahoma me pacho. E san so fumi papa. E Borges olive oil. So open do to a baby bia to ban ne kesi pa de episode to na koton a. E JM Adwen Sons and the Abokanshi Accra. Obetumi afre 0302 666 132 0302 666 132. Borges olive oil, a pure Borges olive oil, a original. Emre Pemono, ya the Abua for personal to Ja, Yami Shamopa, the lady Reverend Doctor, she to draw at the in some brewer within 10 minutes. Obey Shapa. I'm a ready shopper. God bless you, Papa. I don't pay why you're fine. Asempa for to crooked to a for life FM for the pardon 81 no pay.
Father, we bless you for this morning. I don't know who is listening to me. If you are listening to me, I want you to place your hands on your heart. Place your hands on your chest and say this: Father, I thank you. I thank you for this opportunity. It is your grace that has kept me, oh God. This morning I say, indeed you are God, and there is none like you. In the name of Jesus. I bless God for today, and I bless God for the life He has given unto us. I want to tell somebody who is listening to me this morning that be still and know that God is still God. You know, somebody told me this one with me. I told the person, you know what? In everything is working together for our good. You may be sick today, you may be poor today, you may be nobody today, but let me tell you this: and all that you are in today, our God is the perfection of everybody's life. No matter what you see, no matter what they are doing, sometimes when you watch what people are doing, when you watch the kind of life people are living, you ask yourself, God, what is happening to me? I have stayed faithful to you. I have fasted, I have prayed, I have given my offering and my tithe, but things are not working for me. But let me tell you this morning, whatever you see today, don't let that thing make you compare yourself with them. For all things are working together for your good. Whether good or bad, my God is still faithful. He has never changed and He will never change. He's the one that changed destinies around. He's the one that is a miracle working God. Who says you will never make it? Who says you are a failure? Who says the case in your family cannot be broken? I hear the Lord telling me, if you can wait upon Him, if you can hold still to Him, if you can pray and wait, your time will come and the Lord will turn your life around. If you look at our youth, if you look at the church, everybody's doing what they want to do. We have forgotten about what God told us. You cannot walk with God God and live anyhow. You cannot serve God and live your life anyhow. Let me tell you, you may have money today, you may have position today, but let me tell you, a time is coming. That time you cannot stand again. The only one that can protect you, his name is Joshua Amashiach. I don't know what is happening, but I will not exchange my God for anything. I may have nothing today, but I have everything because I have God. Hey, listen to me, my brother. Listen to me, my sister. This world is passing by. Everything you see is vanity. I will rather die with God than to live for the devil. Yeah, I read something in Psalm 46. I read the verse 10. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the hidden. I will be exalted in the earth. Let me tell you, the Lord said I should tell you, those that are waiting upon him, those that are looking up to him, he said, be still and know that I am God. Be still in the marriage, be still in your office. Let them look at you, let them tell you where is your God. Tell them I am holding on to God. Be still and know that God is still God. He said, I will be exalted in the hidden. I will be exalted in this earth. Let them all pass by. Let them enjoy themselves. Let them point us at me. Let them mock at me. I may be barren today. I may be 40 and still not married. I will hold on to God. Let them tell me, let's go and see that malam and get something for another man. Tell them I will not sin against my God. I may be 40, I may be 50, but at God's own time, he will exalt me. At God's own time, the whole earth will hear of the doing of the Lord. Be still and know that God is God. The verse 11. The Lord of hosts, Kabaoshia, is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. The Lord of hosts, he is with us. The God of Jacob, he is my refuge. Let them suck me out. I've lost my marriage. I've lost my job. That is why somebody says your God has rejected you. My God has not rejected me. Hey, he's my refuge. He's my hope. And he's my God. Hey, my God, my dear brother, listen to me. Other guys are making it. And it seems as if nothing is working for you. Don't give up on your God. Continue holding on to God. Hold on to your faith. Look up to Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. When all men of God are breaking through, they are using other things to break through. I will continue to hold on. If I suffer today, I suffer because of God. He said, if you want to follow me, pick up your cross. My cross may be my sickness. My God may be my shame. I'll go do it today. But devil, do not rejoice over me. For if I am down, it doesn't mean that is my end. My tomorrow is coming, and the Lord will exalt himself. I don't know who is listening to me. I don't know who is giving up in life. I don't know who thinks God has rejected him. I don't know who thinks the curse in your family cannot be broken. I don't know who thinks you can never marry again. I don't know who thinks he has stopped your destiny. Our destiny is in the hands of the Lord. Listen to me this morning. It is all about Jesus. If you gain the whole world and you lose your soul, what is the benefit? If you buy the car and so what? After the car, there is death waiting for you. If you get all the good men, get all the money, travel around, and if you don't know God, what is the benefit in it? When you die, you're going to meet judgment. Judgment awaits us. Judgment is waiting for the apostle. He's waiting for the bishop. He's waiting for the archbishop. Whoever you are, judgment awaits you. Today, whatever you do, remember judgment is waiting. Don't be sweeping around. Don't behave as if there is no God, for there is a God that created you. This world is not your own. If you are seeing no fear, no fear. One day more people. Oh God, no fear, no. Oh God, you more pay. Oh God, life a warning me. She got Oh, it won't yet me will say, I'm a cabo loco, you mount by the day about people question, what did you do with your life? What did you do with your marriage? What did you do with your position? I want to encourage you that whoever you are today is because of the grace. Let your life be for God. Walk with Him, live with Him. Everything about you, let it be about Him. I want to introduce Jesus to you. After everything in this world, if you don't know Jesus, you are a waste of time.
Asempa FM.
After your car, your marriage, your children, they are all good. But seek ye first the kingdom of God and its righteousness, and all other things shall be added. I will seek God. He will add everything unto me. I will not seek other things and leave God. I will rather seek God, and other things shall be added. My life is in your hands, God. If you are listening to me, if you want to give your life to Christ, if you are backslided, if you have sinned against God one way or the other, I came your way to tell you, let's do it together. Let's tell Him we are sorry. Accept Christ as your Lord and personal Savior. Say, Lord Jesus,
Lord Jesus,
I thank you for this morning.
thank you for this morning.
My life is in your hands.
My life is in your hands.
I know I am a sinner,
I know I'm a sinner.
but from today,
From today,
I surrender all to you.
surrender all to you.
My heart, my life, everything, oh God, I give it all unto you. Help me to stand for you. Devil, from today, I denounce you. I'm no more for you. I'm for Christ. Father, help me to stand for you, to stand the test of life. The day you appear, that I have a place with you. In Jesus' name, God bless you. Kabaosi, Apostle, God bless you.
The Lady Reverend Dr. Charlotte Woodrow, that's my wife. Powerful, very loaded. I believe I know nso ama me na obi amfa asokwana ne wachenchera bo modern na dwumadi na tie ma me open information bia efa eye MGL eye multimedia group limited ho a obetumi akọ info@manjoyonline.com and info@adomonline.com information bia wo hia bia no unsa ebeka e de free MGL eye multimedia group limited everybody shrapa wasuguso wuti tokro kitwa wagiso emu nsampi enchi bebe finance na to na yenua ba bia ne papa eja ne muntama yanye yefru no oyi na wafam na no odin ne ma me sonso owu a ebefia emmokokoko owu a woni majanka abusuafo ka kire ne ma me se woni se fie ha se ne sasa bi wo fie ha se yentu kwa mebo nipa ana watu kwa kwampo tu impo no wafa passport wanko Cote d'Ivoire he ya otu kwa ko baaye ana wode ntuma Cote d'Ivoire ntuma bi ebeche abusuafo ana adwo ne free sister no ko asamando kudi na sense wo biebe na wo ye no wani atre wani ton onim se fie ha no mo yentu kwa mecha ade ana watu kwa be ton ntuma de ache na wasan betua esukọ no bi school fees onko school wudi fa na say wudi bem wasi medi fo itumo fa me born nchem next time Cote d'Ivoire every coast me fentuma me che obi abiem wose hwe ahade ye bedi wasam na wudi fo a ye beku ato atwe wose ho apa ne ye de aba bo ne ma me kwanchi wose wabọ maba enu anu na ma me ni wuye na de aba bo ya fam ni wiase no enu ma atoto ni wiase no e pa cho be ka bi kakra be 15 minutes ni e be finance na tum ni pa ye ko ba no ensem haye pa ye bone tofa eti for me enye enkrato emrasisi na fe yento dwumade so
Obremo kwanshi atu nipa won sorry biem sunsun mu niema obonefo hyehye tie nipa hye brenti ana ma Yesu ka se etwase nipa bompa ye da omre na wankonsohwem enu nti na setena pampai bodendin di oman ni nyina anim awon paibom Tuesday ade bechi Wednesday bia anadwo de suom 12 am kosi 3 am awa setena pamre so awa Asempa FM ana brochefo nyina nso betie awa setena pa radio online so Apostle Dr. Solomon Odro asetena pampai bodendin president any chain breakers any dimpai boyanim fre 0242 141 707 asetena pampai bodendin ejatwi yato din
Hey, Mr. and Mrs. The mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The treasure de who sit temu ya. Name wa bio ni wabekwa akori nyina atwocha.
Hey, Pastor. If we say me kunu fa me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma de CB women's capsules a. Wo kire yen no. Enija be fie pa.
Praise God, praise God.
CB men's capsules. Abesa me mpem mreye. Ene me dwunso mu yale. Ene oba ne so na ho kika na wo fom no. Ene na yase a aya na ye ne ya na fichi problem no. CB women's capsules abeyi ni nyina free so.
Maye ka mesi mi dade mu nti. Me rapon ya na obefie.
Nka me nkwan.
CB men and women capsules. Suzy Herbal Center Ghana man me madam ase. Apemfo abatan wo mo manufo ne mofra wo ni mfie dumienu nka ho. Our pharmacies chemical and herbal shops nyina mu. Etufo frɛ Suzy Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. Afa 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadun so feel. Hey, you also. Ebdi ahwehwe edwadie nkra toemu agye atum.
Everyone so miminde eni miminde bia efi no nsiampa mu kosi nondu ukrantu mi brinu nie Africa abusia ni amanyofo de atumu na abotwe mu toma epie mu sada so na setena mu yedie ene ne ebemo my Ghana atumi akoso enu na mpani besi adwa ne esi ne koso
Odifesi kuma ebeko wewe ma host na wakwan ne so eni ngwase poto bafa chaka
MPP phones ring am sir sikamo na 5 billion ni TNT ene nkofo nzo nyanwa nwata MPP photo me de 10 billion odi awachi anopa
na de mean mu kan about cheap compounds I am born to say and no confirms what Dr. Bamia keeps saying say they don't read
lies minister no betina ha no say for feeling what let us behave as citizens and be factual in our reporting
amanyofo no nka me anyi ntumu keke e wo se yetumi dosodoso mu ne hu nokure ye wo mu na wo Ghana ni bia ba bia wote so no wo sene oman no
esi ekro dwumadie wadwenkyire wo mu
basa asam na la won kanie na ado ekaka odne sesi do bofa kasa na okonchempo mo biala ntase anu so na hwan
won kan fantum ye hina ye ntibi na double track ameme ntase sisi me be wi school mala me hum mama ye sisi
eye kukrantumi dwumadie ye di Asempa 94.7 FM so Emma wo midin ade akua boache wa yi adom from me ABY Jimmy Fona
Barcelona besama Liverpool ati di bobo and I say Liverpool betim Barca shock UEFA Champions League semi-final. First leg no Barca to Liverpool di your Camp Nou. Na second leg ni Gina Supreme Anfield. Liverpool versus Barcelona. Abnada 7th May. Live commentary was Asempa FM. Any Atom FM so. Commentary training kwada soma. Obianche. Our Papa Dos Bar and Restaurant. Mamas Inechiwa. Tuesday 7 p.m. Slink Bet. DSTV. Go TV. Any TD Power na DSC ako. Liverpool versus Barca. UEFA Champions League semi-final second leg. Wa Papa Dos dan soma. Kanchiro bino no kanchiro bino no songo kanchiro bi. See you there. Asempa FM.
Kase anadwi asetena pamre ejetua to anadwi pa anadwi 12 de beto asa hoya honhom no so ne abɔ mpa yetia na de bi enam so di nsanso bi abro bi anadwi bete na kese pa anadwi 12 ekopem anopa na 3 eya sempape na bete sa empire bɔ no eya asetena pampai bɔ tenten a ejetua to tenten enche meko studio bi na meni eba na twetwe nkomo minim set bia obrade wa fam na amane bia wakom no menu ebe asem becheche wure na ebe nam so mo hu sampanyame e wabrabo mu ni da so e wo ho wa ya to watwere wagya una ewu ntem na ebusuafo wanye hwe so betumi de wo ho ama awurade a ba bia wakodu bia na wagye atum se woni boafo nti wo ba ye bibia ope bia de didi asurvive no me pacho emboa wo de aba wo ya fam no wo ho beti wo no mu nsem menu aba etise
Pacho you daddy.
Bibia boko de.
Nyame adom.
Ye ma watching the bar Asempa FM 94.7 and almost 80 Central Region Live FM 107.5 and Asetrapa Radio Online and Facebook page. Minimum emre kakra. Na emi say o story me share but me nwie na bosumi no nyame de atoma koma so about enkrofo a oyi ma mi wu ntem. Enkrofo won papa wu ntem. Any enkrofo a won papa mu ye won ma me wu ye so ya Thomas Abraham omo sofa any minua baby a be ma bi a ne kondo wu se me wu agyamu me wu agyamu sunsansoa ɛwɔ saa agyanka ne ankona mabrabɔ no mo tai fam sɛ ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɔwɔ no nti no bro bɛma na brɛ na waka ne mahye ne ɔno ne yam na nipa na sofa opiem pa ɔmfa ne ho nipa suban de mi sɛ suban tɔre bi a mo franye ba ye wa wo ba ho to ne ntwene da empom te sɛ
mbacho bɔkɔ dani
emre nti mekɔ na poso na etiefoɔ epese tie na omunye nkranhye etio obeso bodi na so obeso bodi
mbacho mebo midi
bodi okay all the same
midi de Sandra
oh yeah Sandra ufri hin fa kroben so
me bacho me have fi ekropon me have fi akwam fie akosomu lai na me have fi esante
eti no obre mu nsema oba be kan no ye one apesa wo kan na so obi na afo so to be ye fese bi a asa ya bopa ye tuetu sika so obi meka bibi abrabo mu nsem ba ye me won asa nipa na no kasa ono aso o kana bebo mu nsem an obi wi asa na wafem a ye bocho obi na bopa na asa o denti na be so obi kan de hye obi nkran etu obi fo
mbacho obi a mo me pa nyame na ka kire me se baby a me kɔfae ne nyame fa mu a wɔgye me no ya ne ebinom wɔ mu saa a wo mu ntime nka wo mo ho ma nyame nkyɛn ntime nka na wo mu hu sɛ ne ɔmo afa mu nyinaa no nyankopɔn ba be wu ma yɛn sɛ ne yɛti bia no ɛne ti na ɔba yɛn nti ɔmpo yɛn yɛ ɔmo ka wo mo ho mba wo no nyame ho na ɔbɛgye wo mo asesa wo mo
pacho wo mame wo wanyemfa
pacho mame ɔwo me waka baabi
na papa so wo nso
me papa de minim ne da me hia ne da
unim ne da
bi da
ye wo wanyemfa
at the start no me mame nyinsen me wo Kumase I say echinchi say ebia ma ba akra ha na ma be hia be ma na me ni date na ma mfa na nkɔ ebusua fie baabi a me fi machi aha ebia baabi a me wo ha sei ne mabusua ni bia men ha saa na ekoyeye echi okɔ Kumase na okohia me papa a one ne ko date ye no enum ana ɔde nyinsen me iti ɔde nyinsen me according to story no omo ni me maame no omo ka kire me no but omo mu ni ho maka baabi according to omo no omo se maame ene me papa nete na me papa bi store man no say provisions ni ade na saa times no na omo se akronfo ho pa iti akronfo da kromo ba na akronfo be boost store ni asesa nyama ewo mu nyina
wow
na me maame adamfo nso ko every coast kofa cooper chain ni ade beton those times inti saa times no yesi cooper chain e fine pa na te say e gold ende inti no kofa ba inti odi kan ka che me maame so omo nko no nko yesa business ni bi se na ono ne ho ofe ode ba obenya customers inti yesa me papa ampene but no onim se na adamfo no inti oba ye no na oba nso a ya na me maame ti me ko spend days wo no because of na adamfo no inti oba ye no ko ho no no oboa ne nyama kwa satan yeso onye me 5 months ti 5 months na me papa hu nyinsen ne so onye me 5 months ni wanfa na ni nkosua hu me aye wo me biom
eno ya bakwasema o makachiro
pa chan nti okọ ho ne satan so ne yese ka ni ewiase saa bebre nti ka na ba nso a abijan ka na etu ahemache ekobe se 1 o'clock ti me ma me boa no ho okoye no me papa ni so te no na chese wakodu every coast ti odidi mu a wo ho na ode wo me wo ho nti owo me wo ho na me ma me nua no me ma me adamfo no owo Kumase ne ba ye no ne yese papa bi sa ne se na me wehi me papa me ma me wehi wa wo me ana e no so wa wo nti no omo an ho de ne beko nti obefa me papa call me ma me ho no me ma me ama wa ehu me wone ne pre ho aso mfa me ma no nti ono ye so okọ next time obeba ne na busuanfo aba na o ma be kansem no wa be fa me so on ware na on fa na ne ba ma no fa because the first child ne me nti omo prepare ho sa na ma me de me mra wo so menya omo de me kwa ahemfie no omo ye mu dipo no e ya ahemfie kese pa ho na
efiko divoa
ba chan
ene ko man ye ko yi
ba chan sa tam na emi se me ye baby kura ko me ma me wa ma me nufu kura da wa ma me nufu da so lock me she dem na ko adwuma se me ye den se me ye den no wa lock me nti o de me mra nipa no so o de me mra ko ne nchen no so no ono according to yes oni be ma oni ne wo ho atena so many years omo me ma me so de me ko wan hwe makira kwan biom enti wo mu ano ne me na adamfo no bi nya akasakasa ne yɛ sɛ saa tan bank ni hɔ nti adwuma na me maame yɛ na yɛ sɛ ɔmutwa plates ne adeɛ nti me maame konya favor sen ne ɔbɛfa ne kɔɔyɛ no ɔno kɔɔyɛ no na ɔde dada nkrɔfo nkyɛn nti ankyɛ na yɛ sɛ maame bɛ rent story building na ɔwom nti na ɔno mo abɛtena me maame nkyɛn nti no office na ɔmo yɛ adwuma na yɛ sɛ maame ne aborɔfo bi yɛ adwuma ɔmutwa glasses ne plates ne adeɛ nti ɔmo di sika ne nyinaa ma no de bedu aborɔfo no behia ɔmo ba akɔfa nyama wa burucha ba na ɔmo ama ɔde aba nti ɔkɔ yɛ sɛ ɔkɔfa sika na ɔkɔ ne sika no so ate nti na nadamfo no so aba Ghana nti ɔba yɛ no onim so ɔna ebi oni hɔ no wafa de aso oni sika so afa nyama nti obi sa no ne kɔyɛ akasakasa nti ɛkɔyɛ akasakasa na maame ne sɛ ɛnɛ me de waba ma wabe yi wo bɛbɔ me korɔ no na ɔsɛ ɛdɛm ha me no wo ne wɔ ha nti sɛ wafa po a ɛnam so na me di yie nti sɛ wafa po a wo de ka kyerɛ me ame de me sika bɛhyim nti yeso ofrɛ Abidjan nsuo bobo no omo akɔ Abidjan dade omu nim sɛ nsuo ne sɛ ɛyɛ powerful pa
etiefo yensuo me bi wɔ ha na yɛ sɛ adeɛ yiran na woni nipa ko potia yɛ careful nipa a obɛpɔn sɛ nipa na fa because wodi agora obetumi abodua pa
nti yɛsɛ me maame adamfo no frɛ bobo sɛ me na me fa ya bobo nkum yɛ wiakete wɔn sɛ me sɛ nya me nso a wonkum na maame so we nya ade a me nua bɛfrɛ nsuo it would ye ntwa so 83 days time na madam me maame adamfo na fa sika no ɛna ori sika ni bi ye aduane maame eti ni follow we no me maame ba Ghana ɛna yɛse wo begya na kwan no san nsuo ni bi gu na chi sɛ bobo ɔkɔyi me mo san na chi mba ha biom ti yɛse maame ba ye no ɛna ade ne hyase sɛ ɔyare na ade na gu ne te sa nanse saa time so no na asɔfofu oni hɔ bebre na hospital nso na nhyɛ da nte sɛ ne he to ɔmo de no kɔto abosomfie na ɔmo yɛ ya nti owusu na ɔda no ɛna me na bia te sɛ onyem wakɔwo but ohu akwala no nti owusu na me maame da no bisa mother saa na me maame de ɔde akɔ su mother ma che se yɛse wokɔ Abidjan no wakɔwo na akwala no wɔ he eti owusu no na ɔpointe ɛno kora wo yɛse ɔnkyerɛ ne yie but me na de ɔbrɛfo nti wakin na ɔtonton nyama konkronkronkro ti onim babia ɛna wɔkyerɛ ye ɛna ɔde fa mu na ɔdu ye na me na Tracy ya na ɔbɛfa me nti ɔmo bɛfa me kora no ɔmo sɛ ma ya abafan na me nti me nante
etiefo betumi akɔ me Facebook page ɛyɛ Apostles Moduro page na wahwɛ na watie ɛsɛ nsɛm a yɛkan ɔbɛfa na wayɛ bafan
mpatwan
awuntumi nante
me nti me nante
na wonfie bɛyɛ sɛ
na almost ɔbɛfa na me wɔ 1.5 year
wow
nti me nante nti ɔbɛpre ya na ɔbɛfa nti ɔbɛfa me ba nkyɛ na ma me wuye ɛna ɔmo de ne kɔ ekosie no wɔyɛ nkura nti ɛnum na hyase na me wɔ me na bia hɔ eti ɔno nso ɛbɛ yare nti abra na ɔba bi utata ne yɛte Madina 0.5 eti abra na ɔba bi wu no ɛna ohyira me so ma me maame num nyinaa nua pani ohyira me so ma na ɔno ɔbɛfa me kɔ ekura yɛfrɛ hɔ akorabo suhuma akorabo na ɔbɛfa me kɔ nti ne yɛte broni bi yɛfrɛ ne dɔmetia na ɛdɔm wɔ hɔ pa nti yɛfrɛ hɔ dɔmetia na anwea so wɔ hɔ yɛfrɛ hɔ anwea so nti ɛhɔ na yɛte a mete maame nkyɛn ɛne treatment ndi enye easy na ɔde me kɔ school eti me kɔ ya me wie de na sa me wura class 1 pepepe
sesi ano ya post afiri Côte d'Ivoire aba so menya ɛne asan so post afiri so menya akɔ akorabo
you
bronu efrɛ hɔ no mo anwea so
ye post me fi so menya no ɛne ye de me ba Madina 0.5
for Madina 0.5 ɛne asan kɔ suhu
mpatwan nti ɛhɔ no minye wura class 1 pepepe na fees ni ye 150 pesos maame ni so ntua maame mbe yensen ne ma because ono ne mate nkrofo nkyɛn me maame kwasi ampani no okɔ bɔ bra no wa mɔbra papa enti ne ma ne ba hɔ a omutimi ye ma kaka de mbekum ye maame baifoɔ ya wo wa amanya nyina sɛi o maame kwasi ampani na bra bɔ nya papa bi wana kwa musi ono da hɔ ne metente ye maame nti
maame ne man na de o maame wo ne ka woni
you ene me maame nua ni nyina
na so offense wo bayi ni na akumu maame
aha me nye papa nti maame mbese o mo maame ma wo na me mini ba bi esie me maame emusie ne so da ho kakra nti ne makotran nda bia so na misu sa
at that tender age
mpatwan na misu sa enti adidi mo a
musie ho a na bia be hu bia na wa
ne makotena so se me maame dia na misu me wiro so sa
na wo fi say
that time na me wo be say I think 7 years me wo be say 7 years nti me wo ne nkyɛn saa ye kɔ afuom ni ade na me chale wetate na me de haban asa pant kura me nya bi nhyɛ ni ade ye kɔ afuom ye sefei ebedu baby ase mi peja kakra mi nufu ba no na me wo fa no e bia ye aduana ase me de koma wo mu a na we ya bi so mi nufu se na aye de ebetimi adi o me so na mi ni mu dokodi nti me kwa ma akoka che me ma me ne se me wo fa se na aye no mi nufu no ye betimi adi na omakoma wo mo warning eti didi mu anada ko me ma nua no ebetu kwan
etiefo yentie bibi wa ase adeba kwa be se awofo etie titru ene mo nkofo mate mo nchen ayakayaka de omo fam to de bia wonim da jesi manye se bia ka ne ma meti ase ne papa ti asanka e bambo bi o char ke bi betumi aba e ma sunsanso a obekan no enka bofa ne fam da mesre eruade se ejanka bia wotie mi biara awa fa wa hauma otumi mfa ebia boni ponche biem ama eja ni suban bi oti eruade fa ne sankasa ni pa no enuti no na sasa tam no ye di mani kasa
edi mani pa me ma nua ne di mani osoma me ne ye di dwa wo suhuma krabo na baabi a ye hye wo dometi a ubetwa supresu uwura supresu a ekura ni dem eho ka ankoho ye nante bate ho wa pa me fan say betimi anante ewa ha be se fiti yakọ Accra ansa na obedu ekura ho ekura tu unam kokonnua mu saa ho na yete na mekọ afuom ye bekọ afuom akotu banche ya be hyehyɛ se na mere fi se nidin ye hyehyɛ wo kenten ketu run saa tenten na ode ye ka ne sei ni ye aduane so ton eti kokonte ne mekọ akọwọ no wa kyekyere de ato so wa hyan hyehyɛ kontomire na esome na mekwa na pimdua ni bi na de mi akọmachi kikiki na osoma me a ontime nka so ebia Sandra de a wodi kọ yi 20 pesos po nefa tonsuo nom
na ne mane we
ne mano na ebi tenkrofo nchen wo Accra ha ne maye 3 eti na 2 ewo Accra ha e na ketwa no de ote ye nchen ketwa de no onyiye na obebe se 7 years honom ntin ono no sa but ni omo aka na nyi ewo Accra ha.
It apart from say adwumaden a wo ye den na wo fa no ne sai nipa no fam ebro mu fo say wo ye oba no
enti me ma me ni tu kwan ye me ma me nua ba ko ne me ma me de ne call onu di no wo Beni ofi Beni ba be wuye enti obe wuye no
ese mu fie no otu kwan ba bia obewu
ba chan otu kwan ba bia no abewu nti o wuye no e na omo ye se ye omo mra na omo koye wa kwa mu fie nti omo kwa akwasisen day a omo de beye eyie no e na ogyaye nti ogyaye no na me sister ekunu ebeda ye nchen ye nkwala be se 4 ne eda ho na obeda ye nchen nti obeda ye nchen na omo maka ni nyina ada nwa ne so de ne safefa me ho e na me se e di asem na o se minye kom
na wo fie be se
Satan no me obe say 8 years to 9 years mu ho eti ode ne nsafefa me ho saa na me say e di asem na o se minye kom e na me ye kom ja me wan ni se wawro me ho a ono so ayi ne ho a wone me pese eda but na me sha ni nti no like ne ho kwa me ho nti ni hu nsuo nyina ye me ho no ka che me se ma me nka me ka wo bekume but me de na oboa o kan se mi na se ma me nka me ka nti ade chen ya na me bo o mama ne se na bla dan be ye mi o ko se nsuo na egu me ho na egu matari na me de kire won se o mo hwe ade no starch ne se na aye me ho na me de kire ye nti me de kire na me na be ma ye oyo hene na o se wagu mi ho fi esan se yen ye fi ahemfie nti no ye no wagu mi ho fi nti wontwa odwan nti omoma otwa odwan na omoma otwa odwan no twa akokogu mi nan so se omo de yi mi ho fi na nkae no omo de ye aduane omo de nam ni bi ye aduane maame na eho twaye eti from eho twaye no na se area mu boys no me kwa afuo mu a we ya no wahia me no ne me ada wa afuo mu ho me ko nsu a we ya no wahia me no ne me ada fe boys no ai so mo ne me deda saa
after say o fa ne yes na mo koya mamba no wo ahemfie ye twa odwan
pacho egu me nan so no
e ma obi die
pacho an
nessa afi na abeto aso
pacho an
that it be ya 10 to 50
na twa so e na me ma me na me ne te no so na small boys ba ne nchen eti omo ba sa dan no so say atakwa me dan bi enye nnedi a cheme ho ana single room self contain me ne na eda ho ti omo ba sa no wayi mi ato form no ono omo dampa so ti omo ye nyina me da ho ana me hwe
Mami penimu no.
Mpacho mami penimu. No, obe say 50 something.
O boys ba nchen. Ne man na ho.
Enya ne man empenafo.
Me say me kwala wan ba be di chobo.
Mpacho da bi yon boys empenafo.
Wow.
Eti omo ba ne omo ye nyina na mehwe. Ti da kro mutu kwan.
Na just say enya advisable sanka obia de ka no ma beda demu.
Da bi da. Enya because na mehwe ne omo ye sane nipa ne da no so ko ba na me nim dokode. Nti me so me try se be pa obi no so ayem bi na mahwe.
Etiefo de emma ye ka we nyina ne say o hwe se ne wiase kwala bone sem ne enomesi koso ade se nyoma asetena mu eni wonipa megyae no fabofra no koma onua na ma ona na hwe no na ne ma me hwe no na mewu na wawu na bofra no o sofa kan hu sa bofra bi obebe wiase bia no o asudi ne akontabu a obebu e wa bofra no pacho bontofa be 2-3 minutes na fe enu kinu sande na ofa mu no so be na onya wo so
minyan susu bebre ko se bedu baabi no mabusua omo hwe mekire akwan nya se bedu baabi nei nyina tiechire bi ametewa ametimi bisa se nti daachi minya sika mabusuafo beba me nchen ana because obi enu ofa phone kra frɛ me se wo check se me ho chesen ana se me yedai obi a hwehwɛ me where about tu nei nyina me ne oti ha me kasa sisi yi
last na me no kasa no se omo yo sana nkwala so ba ho ma no mu da
me ana me kofa wo me sister man ketwa bi me kaya ba ko no 1 year 5 months and ba ko nso 2 years ba ko 3 like nkwala nkete me am fa wo na me de wonko emusie bola na chi enwura wo ho nwura kusu kakra wo ho
2 years there
na me de wonko ntimi am woro mo ho a na me so omo we ni mu a na agina na me de wo matena me so na me de aye ne meye
ye Ewurade Kristo Ewurade o se oni bodanfo ku de ti ni sa no ma no
eno ye me wofa I say me maami nua me maami nua ba FM e no obodam fi akra ha 1950 ha ba yankura ho wa bodam a ono no so sebe okọ toilet a
oboka obodam finkra ha
mpacho a 1950 ha ba ekudum ho enti okọ private a ohuno wo chance mu ohuno sa no wanu bi odi bi adwale odi bi aye ni timu nyina na we roli bisa na odi ato nchense dan ne so na kitchen ni sa time na dan na yedam na yedan e na ba bia no no hye ni na no so yedan na ensuo toy ne ho ni dwirigu ye nti nipa ho no fi ho e ne yende no so ye se mmiri bi mu tender to ye e na yesu amani hu nsuo bi etoy na tender nti ye krake dan na chi ti yeda ho na ebugu ye nti ebugu ye de ho ye kitchen e ne yedi nta bobobo sa ho no but o fro step on dia akọ ewa nti me wo ho ye aduane a na bibi minim ne eba aye e na me call ne nchen wo edan ne honom saata na abo be se 12 o'clock 12 no nso anajo 12 me ma me ne de wada ne ye aduane ton nti gisa me huno nkate na me chisi wo de ya abe na me dia abe nkwan ni siso kakra me mo ben kakra because I say by 6 o'clock ne ya anu aduane nyina awie na omo ko afuo mu no
na won fie be say
na saata me nya be say 11 to 12 inti me wo ho a me ye aduan na me guso di nyama de sisi so a me ya e na me kọ ho nti me kọ ho ape no no so eso mi mu aha no o ne me daaye na sa tam kra kondom e ba da bempo si ye ni mu dokode
ana bodan force no yes
o ne me yes anya 1 nye 2 e etuatua so obi anso ehun me ne no da etuatua so a me kọ no ho pe na o de me atwere dan no o ne me aye ni o ne me beye
eti no sa tam na wunya na ka ma metiase na ka hu papa nka bekọ no ho
na mi sa time ni mi nyame maame a nka mekọ no ho ana se me papa nka mekọ no ho
emu na oni bad fans ko date
emu ho no sane na treatment ne ko ne fe abro so ebro ne ade ntimi ko afuom kotete body haban ni omode ye fante dokno no e na mekọ ton ntimi mekọ ton ya minya minya 5 cd that time 5 cd scapa ntimi nya ya na bidwane na me call baby am ko hia san crofo no
ye be san to aso mpese wutu ajanka bi fo ajanka bi ane maame ewu ni papa ewu offense ono so no ye tietinti no obebo bra bi opebia because nsem dodo na yen kan ye but ende obi a fezen otie de na wutu ajanka bi fo na afi uwi a maame fo a mo to e masavram papa fo mo hwe we ma otu mo fo
ni ameka kire janka bia wo abonten a wutie me wo a wo maame no papa ewu ana wo maame no papa ti ase but omani ni wo ho ne se enye wa wie ye ni fa wo ho menyame onipa wo hwehwe nyame ntem a wo mmere wo wiase da emma unia ukomu no nyankopon se wo maame no papa bepo a onu nyame ompo woda ka se nyame ka wo ho eti no matter how no begina menyame na wapa adwuma ye fa wo sa ye adwuma ne menyame suro metena wo mu menhwe ne afoforofo ye memo mu du won chima won sika nti wo beka se wo ni obi nti wo besa wa brabo hia menyame wo so ni hia menyame papa wo hu ti na Yesu bewu ye na ni wo ho nyame ka kire won a won jaja wo momma ene be ma wo ni obi a wo na won hwa akola na kire kwan se kona kohwehwe na kire akwan wan hwe na kire akwan ni aba bi enye ye mawo ebe dan no me ayeden ato wo so hwehwe wo be kire akwan na bibia be ye fine wo Yesu din mu
hwehwe wo be kire akwan na bibia ebe ye fine mesremo etiefo ame emfa we entwanto ade ba ko ambese mitu etiefo for ne setitru ne emma mawo abu ferofmes ahotinti ongotra obi nchen enase bia be ma na ahotinti ongotra obi nchen mesremo atetia bu fa ne be fam no dumadi amedi metensem ensem bebre ba manim obono mu a because of ne papa ne maami wu ntam ne be okofa okotra mu ntino amo how bebre aba na abra bomu but minim se ebra wuti bebi aba wo bi aro no obakofa no na wawo na hwe oba na obakofa no because we ofemu okowura prostitution mu no ma wa ye dawson wi a wanom dawson benyame adoma next week e beto aso e ma ne konom wi e ma no kofa no ma memma hororo no ma de da wo Ghana ha eni mpanifo ne doctors no ma date wo Ghana ha ne wa film ba nyame adom wangu eni maame wata no ma bi e wo famu nyame de ne saka no ma yeso no so tumi gina bonten e preach nyame asem etu ni pafo e hyengrofo kwan utie Asempa FM 94.7 e to kroketwa emu sempi me bebie phone lines no e de atom na wo asembi nkwasha sembi a na busade bia na wabusa na instra kese e be wodia lines no e 0302 216546 030 221 6546 030 221 6546 bit me after offer no ajesu to gugitwa na majesu emu sempi